Wife and I purchased this 2010 Subaru Forester. 49,000 original miles on it, one owner. The exhaust was gone. Missing a muffler. Picked up a 2020 WRX STI Exhaust on Marketplace for $200. Mufflers, Y-pipe, actually got the downpipe too, but I don't need that. All the hangers fit. All the flange bolts fit. The fitment, nice and tight, doesn't rub. A little bit of touching there, but these are sleeved, so I don't know how hot it'll really get. Could do a little trimming there to help. The doughnut gasket here is the same size, everything. I don't know if it's the same part number, but for the I bought one for a 2010 Forester and it worked with the STI Exhaust. Replace all these bolts. I didn't replace the springs, but the bolts were all seized. Fitment is real nice. Factory fitment. Alright, update. It's been about a week driving, and you can see that there's no melting occurring, so I'm probably not even going to trim it because it really doesn't look that bad. I mean, it almost looks like a factory cutout to me, so probably just going to leave it.